channel. Hola, today we have Stray Kids with Thunderous. Now, I know with my Stray Kids, I've been long gone. Way even before I took this little break off of YouTube. It's been long since I've kept up with my Stray Kids. It's been long, and yeah, that's not okay. So I'm excited to watch. So if you didn't know, I was gone for like about 4 months from all social media, and my booze, I'm back and I'm better and I'm ready. I did get requested to react to the music video and album. The album, I already wrote them down. I put them here because it's quite a lot. If you have any other videos that you're like, okay, you were gone through this time and I haven't seen, please let me know in the comments and I will check it out. Después digo que también me pidieron el album reaction. Tengo una notita aquí de todos los grupos. But anyways, vamos a ponerle play. Let's go ahead and press my screen recording. And I freaking love them. But what the hell? Okay, let's go. Oh my god, he's back. I knew he was back, but like I hadn't seen him in the Ooh. I love. Oh my god, it's oh my god. Oh! Dude. Oh. Hey. Damn! That's what's. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Oh, I just got the chills. What in the world? Damn. And it's like, wow. Seriously, wow. Like, I don't know. Like, their comebacks are always so, like, strong and, like, with a lot of, like, power. And I felt that. I definitely felt that. And wow. Like, wow. Like, everything. That was so dope. That was so dope. I freaking loved that. That was everything. The choreo, the rapping, like, period. They're like, we don't follow the rules, bitch. we break them. But I'm excited to listen to the album, so keep an eye out for that. Like I said, if you have any other video of Stray Kids that I have not seen, my boo, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to get to it as soon as I can. Mis boo, se siente el poder, like, you feel the power, like, you know what I mean? Like, ooh, nomás por viendo el video, like, I know, se ven hermosos, like, ooh, Felix with that hairstyle, I am obsessed. Obsessed. And hay algo de Changbin que me... ¡Woo! Me vuelve loca. Estoy emocionada para escuchar el álbum. La verdad, todo lo que no he mirado de Stray Kids, sé que no estaba al tanto, like, con todo lo que hacían. So, estoy emocionada para hacer catch up. Si tienen otro video que no he visto de Stray Kids, por favor déjenme saber en los comentarios, mis boos, y lo miraré en cuanto pueda. Pero muchas gracias por ver mi boo. Thank you so much for watching, boo. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day or night, whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Espero que tengas un bonito día, una bonita noche, a cualquiera que estés viendo este video, y espero verte en el próximo. Bye, boos.